Hi guys, I'm Brenda from SlabWare and today I'm going to show you how to set up your client section. So let's go to the tutorial.
In our previous tutorials, we learned how to register both an account and a customer. Now, let's explore how to configure the setup for these two types of clients in the system. From the side menu, go to Clients, then Setup. This is the Setup page. It includes all client categories such as account, customer, and mailing. Under default state, you can set a default location, like for example, Texas, United States. Now, whenever you create a new account or new customer, the state and country fields will be filled automatically. Here are the accounts forms. And here are the customers forms. Let's go back to the setup page. Click Clear Field if you want to reset them and fill in the details manually. As you can see, the fields are empty. Just click on them to fill in the account and customer information. In Type of Business, you define the type of services an account provides, like designer, contractor, or architect. This field is exclusive to accounts, so you won't see it in the customer registration form. Let's check the customer page. See? There's no such field to fill in. Now let's go to the account page. Here it is. You can also add new categories here by clicking Add New. Group mailing allows you to create specific mailing groups. For example, you could set up a group to send offers only to fabricators. Go to New Mailing. Here you can create a promotion and send it to a contact list. Select the clients you want to include. Then click here to add them to a group mailing. You can even create a new group on the spot. Just enter a name and click Create Group. Once created, your list will include all the clients you selected. If you want to add more contacts to your list, just select them and click Update Group. You can remove them by clicking Delete List, or choose an existing group mailing to add or remove clients from the list as needed. The clients from the Fabricators list I created before are automatically selected in the Contacts field. Back in Setup, you'll see the group we just created. Here you can register countries. And under State, you can define the states for those countries. Click New. Type in the name, abbreviation, and country. Then, when you select a country while registering an account or customer, all its related states will appear automatically. The How Did You Find Us field lets you track where an account or customer first heard about your business. You can add new options by clicking New and entering the name. Feel free to fill in as much information as you can in the system. It will make registering your accounts and customers easier, faster, and more convenient. All these setup options can be edited anytime by clicking the pencil icon, or deleted with the trash icon. Now let's see where these settings appear. Go to Clients, Accounts, and then New Account. The registration form opens, and you can see the fields we've set up. For customers, you'll see, how did you find us, country, and state? For accounts, you'll see type of business, country, and state. And that's how you configure your client setup to make your forms faster and easier to fill.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact our support team. And if you're new here, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.